Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to start by opening Clock app and choosing Alarm section at the bottom left corner. When you're ready to create a new alarm, tap on this plus icon. Now you need to set up an hour at the top and then click on repeat. Over here, set up the best option for you by clicking on it. Only ring once, every day, today's weekend, single day weekend, or customized. If you decided to choose customize, you can exclude the days of the week by tapping on the blue ones, or add them by clicking on the gray ones. When you finished, to save your changes, click on Done at the top right corner. Now click on Alarm Ringtone, hit Add New at the top and pick any song from your device by clicking on it. You can also just tap on one of those sounds, like for example buzzer alarm. Then click on snooze duration and decide how many minutes your snooze will take. Nextly, click on ring duration and set up how many minutes your alarm will ring. When you finished, scroll all the way down, click on the volume button and assign one of those functions: snooze, dismiss, or do nothing. Finally, you can click on label. Label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and click on OK to save it. Last but not least, tap on this switcher next to vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback for your alarm. Then to save it, click on Done at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my alarm was successfully created. To turn it off completely, use blue switcher next to it. You can turn it back on by hitting the same now gray one. If you wish to edit your alarm, just click on it, make all changes you want, and click on Done again. Lastly, to get rid of it, just hold it and click on Yes in Delete pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!